Hey, Casey Darnell here with Truth & Co. If you've been following along, you know that we are at ALYS Beach working on the ALYS Beach Home project. The team is all right there, Anissa right there, with the incredible architects, Domin Bock, and the builder, Hufham Farris. We've been a part of this project now for a year and a half, and something we love saying is that we do two things. We help busy homeowners make confident design decisions while saving them costly errors, and that's exactly what we're getting to do today as we walk through every outlet, every light switch, every light, thousands of details and little steps taken along the way to get here. And so it's awesome to be a part of this project. So our clients are the ones that benefit, and that's our goal. We're happy, they're happy.